Let's create a pie chart in Power BI. First thing you will need to do is go to your visualizations and select pie chart. You select pie chart there, and you will know that this is a pie chart by this pie chart indicator. So you'll see basically a pie chart. A good rule of thumb is try to select something in your pie chart that has 4 to 5 different categories so that your pie chart isn't too skewed. So what we want to do is go with regions, and we want to go with sales. So now we have created a pie chart in Power BI. We can look at a few different things. So in our pie chart, we notice that the South region has the most sales, while the region with the lowest sales is Northeast region. And we can also go into our formats tab to make some modifications to this pie chart. So we have a legend, which we can take away or add, and we can put it on the center right, or we can put it on the top center. Just really up to us and your personal preference. So let's just go ahead and put it back on the center right. We can also change the text, and we can change the color. So if we change that color to black, we can also come here and take off the title. So the title is gone now. And then we can come down here to data labels and toggle them off, or we can toggle them on. And we can also change the slices colors. So let's change this to red. As you can tell, my favorite color is probably red. But you can also come here to data labels, and you can position them either outside, or you can position them inside, or you can do outside if you prefer outside, or prefer inside. For now, let's just go ahead and keep it outside. You got some label contents, and these different label contents will kind of let you know how you want to build out your pie chart. So if you go with category here, you probably can get rid of your category here. So you can just kind of say, I'll go ahead and get rid of my legend. So, or you can come here to data value and increase and show the data value, which means you might want to go ahead and add your legend back. You can go to percent totals. You can also go to category and data value. Then you can go to percent total, category, and data value. Then you can go to data value and percents. Then you can go to all detail labels. And if you want to do that one, you can just go ahead and get rid of the legend altogether. Go to your values, increase, change the color. So you've increased the font, you've changed the color, and now you have built your very first pie chart. Now you should know how to build a pie chart in Power BI.